Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. If you're new here, welcome. Today we're going to be going over some Dollar General all digital scenarios using that 5 off 25 on Saturday, September 12th. We have 4 awesome scenarios to go over. We have a gain scenario that's a really good deal. We also have a scenario where $2.25 is going to be the total cost, and that includes 2 packs of diapers. So if you want to see what these scenarios are, just keep watching. Before we get started, let's go over a few things you need to remember when shopping at Dollar General. The very first and most important rule is you want to scan every item in the store with your app. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second, but the reason you are doing that is because you want to check that the prices come up correctly. There are times when an item could be on sale, or it could also be a price break, and the Dollar General employees just don't have time to change the tag. So you want to scan the item to make sure the price is what you have wrote down on your scenario, because if that price is off just a little bit and it throws you under $25, the 5 off 25 will not come off at the register. Another reason you're scanning those items is to make sure the digital coupons are attaching. At Dollar General, the digital coupons are very finicky. Sometimes it will attach to an item of 1 cent, but it will not attach to the same item of a different cent. So you need to scan to make sure those items are definitely attaching. If you're doing a gain scenario, you want to make sure the coupon you're using plus the gain coupon are both attaching to each item in that scenario. If there is one single item in that gain scenario that's not attaching to that gain coupon and it throws you below that $30 gain total, then that gain coupon is not coming off at the register. I'm also going to show you in just a second what I mean with that gain coupon attaching. Another thing to keep in mind is those instant savings. As an example, if you're doing a 5 off 25 deal and you have a spend 15 on Scott products, save $3 instantly, then you're going to have to make sure your new total is $28 before coupons, because that $3 will come off and you still have to be at that $25 threshold after that instant savings comes off. And lastly, get what you need, not what is cheap. I personally do not like travel and trial size items. So before I wouldn't even put them in my scenarios, but people really like the very low out-of-pocket scenarios with all the travel and trial size things. So now I try to include at least one very low out-of-pocket scenario for you. And now let's do a quick rundown of how to use the app. First thing you're going to do is open up the app. Once you open it up, you're going to click right here in the middle at the bottom onto list. Once the screen opens up, you're going to check the top. You're going to make sure this location is the store that you're at. If not, you're going to hit change store and put it on the correct location. Once you're set on the correct location, you're ready to scan some items. So you're going to click this little barcode here. The screen will pop up and then you are ready to scan. I'm going to scan a few items out of my stockpile to show you what will happen. Here is some Gain dish soap. When we scan it, we see there's a 50-cent coupon. We also see that the Gain digital coupon is attaching. Now we're going to click add to list. If you look up here, it'll show it in our cart. Click the deals applied. It'll show you what coupon attached to it. Now we're ready to scan another item. So let's click the barcode again. And like before, once you click the barcode, the screen will pop up and you can begin scanning another item. We're going to grab an VRYQQ oil twin pack. Let's go ahead and scan it. As you can see at the bottom, there's nothing there. That means no coupons have attached to this item. If you know for a fact this item does have a coupon and it's showing there's no coupons, go ahead and scan a different scent, because you may find a coupon for a different scent. Okay, now let's grab some IBOTTA and scan them and see if there's any coupons that attach to them. You find the barcode and scan it here. You will see that a $1 coupon attaches to this item. This little check mark over here has to be checked in order for the coupon to be clipped to your account. One more little thing I want to add is this total here at the bottom, the $4.27. Do not go by that total. That total is rarely correct. The best way to get your total is to do some old school math on a piece of paper with a pencil. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into our first scenario. We're going to buy 2 of the Ajax dish soaps. They're $3 each. We're going to use that buy one, get one free digital coupon. We're going to pick up 2 of the Old Spice body wash. They're $4.50 each. We're going to use that $5.49 off 2 Old Spice digital coupon. Then we're going to buy 2 Febreze Air Effects, the sprays. They're $3 each. We're going to use that $3 off 2 Febreze digital coupon. Then we're going to buy 1 Eucerin Intensive Repair Lotion. It's a 5-ounce bottle for $4.50. We're going to use that $2 off 1 Eucerin digital coupon. Then we're going to make sure we have that 5 off 25 clipped to our account. We're going to head up to the register. The cashier is going to ring up all of our items. Our total will come to $25.50. We're going to enter our telephone number on the keypad. $18.49 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $7.01, which is just $1 per item. Okay, now for our next scenario, we're going to buy one of the Crest Cavity and Tartar Protection toothpaste. They're $2 each. We're going to use that $1 off one Crest toothpaste digital coupon. Then we're going to pick up one of the 75 count packs of the Oral-B Complete Icy Picks. They're $2.25. We're going to use that $1 off one Oral-B Floss Picks digital coupon. We're going to pick up one of those Bic Us Razor Starter Kits. They are $9. We have a $5 off one Bic Us digital coupon. Then we're going to pick up two of the 3 count bars of Caress bar soap. They are $2.75 each. We have a $2 off 2 Caress products digital coupon. Then we're going to buy one Bic Comfort 3 razors for $3. We have a $2 off one Bic razor digital coupon. Then we're going to pick up one of the Dial body washes. They are $4 each. We're going to use that $1 off one Dial body wash digital coupon. And then we're going to pick up one of the Vaseline lip therapies. They're $1.25. We have a $1 off one Vaseline digital coupon. And of course, you want to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to your account. You're going to head up to the register. The cashier is going to ring up all of your items. Your total is going to come to $27 before coupons. As soon as the cashier hits total, $2 in instant savings for Caress is going to come off, making your new total $25. When you enter your telephone number at the keypad, $18 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax just $7 or 88 cents per item. Now pay close attention because for this next scenario, you're really going to need to know this. Most couponers use rebate apps, and to be honest, there are only 2 rebate apps I really use. Those 2 apps are Fetch Rewards and IBOTTA. These are the 2 easiest rebate apps to use with the biggest returns. So if you aren't already using these apps, you should go ahead and download them, and you can use my referral code. For Fetch Rewards, my referral code is VRYQQ. You'll get 2,000 bonus points for using my referral code when you scan your first receipt. In my personal opinion, Fetch Rewards is the easiest one to use. You don't have to clip any offers. Fetch has over 300 participating brands. You go shopping, you scan your receipt. Every receipt is worth at least 25 points. If you purchase one of their participating brands, you get bonus points. So again, my referral code is VRYQQ. The next app I suggest is IBOTTA. If you download IBOTTA, use my referral code. It's rwoenvt. IBOTTA has a ton of different offers you can choose from a ton of different stores. They also offer many different bonuses for different items purchased. Also, if you purchase a certain number of offers, they will give you bonus money for those. There's just a ton of different ways to get free money from IBOTTA, so go ahead and download the app. Use my referral code rwoenvt. That will add you to my team. Then we can earn team bonuses together. Okay, for this scenario, we're going to use digital coupons, and then we're also going to submit our receipt to IBOTTA and Fetch Rewards, and we're going to make our total price after all coupons and rebates going to be $2.25. All you're going to do is pick up 4 items. You're going to pick up one of the Crest Detoxifying Toothpaste. They are $7 each. You're going to clip that $3 off one Crest Detox digital coupon. Then we're going to pick up 2 bags of the Huggies Snug and Dry diapers. They're $8.50 each. We're going to use that $3 off 2 Huggies diapers digital coupon. And then we're going to buy one of those Vaseline lip therapies for $1.25. And we're going to clip that $1 off one Vaseline digital coupon. Also, make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to your account. You're going to go up to the register. The cashier is going to ring up all of your items. The total is going to come to $25.25. You're going to enter your telephone number at the keypad. $12 worth of digital coupon is going to come off. So you're going to pay $13.25 out of pocket. But then you're going to make sure on IBOTTA you have clipped that Crest toothpaste offer and the Huggies offer. So when you submit your receipt to IBOTTA, you're going to get back $5 from IBOTTA. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Fetch. Fetch has an offer for 3,000 points, which is equal to $3 back for each pack of diapers. So you're going to get $6 back from Fetch. So you'll pay $13.25 out of pocket, but you're going to get back $11 from your 2 rebate apps. So really, all 4 of these items, it's going to cost you $2.25 or just 56 cents per item. I don't know where you can get diapers for 56 cents each, but now you can. And just so we are super clear, here are the 2 IBOTTA rebates that you need to clip. So how do you know it's clipped? See, the one on the left has a plus sign. That means it is not clipped yet. The one on the right has the check mark. That means it is clipped. So you need to make sure both of your rebates before you go shopping are clipped with the check mark. And so why are you getting back $5 from Ibotta? You get $3 for the toothpaste, and then you'll get $1 for each pack of diapers, because see where it says may be redeemed up to 5 times. So since we're buying 2 packs of diapers, we'll get back $1 per pack. And now for the Fetch rebate, if you open up the Fetch app and you'll be on the Discover page, if you scroll down, you should see a 3,000 points for Huggies diapers. It shows you can do up to 3 per receipt. Since we are buying 2 packs of diapers, we get back $3 per pack. That's a total of $6 we'll get back from Fetch Rewards. Okay, now let's jump into our last scenario. This is our Gain scenario. We're going to buy 1 Gain fabric softener, 105 loads for $6.95. We're going to use the $2 off 1 Gain fabric enhancer digital coupon. We're going to buy 1 Gain laundry liquid detergent for $6.95. We're going to use the $2 off 1 Gain laundry detergent digital coupon. We're going to buy 2 of the Gain dish soaps for $2 each. We're going to use that $1 off 2 Gain dish soap digital coupon. Then we're going to buy 2 of the Gain scented Febreze fabric sprays. They're the spray bottles. It has to be Gain scented. They're $3.55 each. You're going to use the $3 off 2 Febreze digital coupon. We're going to buy 2 of the Mr. Clean multi-surface cleaners for $3. We're going to use the $1 off 2 Mr. Clean product digital coupon. You're going to make sure that 5 off 30 digital coupon for the Gain is attached to your account, and you're going to make sure that 5 off 25 is attached to your account. You're going to go up to the cash register. The cashier is going to scan all of your items. Your total will come to $31 before coupons. Enter your telephone number at the keypad. $19 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax just $12 or $1.50 per item. Okay guys, that's all the scenarios I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed these scenarios. If you don't have Fetch Rewards or Ibotta, make sure to download them. Make sure you do that scenario. If you need diapers, you can get diapers for $2.25. Plus you get a couple of other things, so that's a really good scenario to do if you need diapers. Or if you're just stocking up on diapers, because like with me, I just found out I'm going to be having a grandbaby in May. So I'm going to start stocking up on diapers, so you'll probably see a lot more diaper deals coming your way. As always, I truly appreciate each and every one of you for taking the time to watch my videos. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, complaints, leave them in the comment box below. If you have not yet subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the little bell, turn the notifications to all so you get a notification anytime I post a video. Please also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps my video get pushed out so it gets seen more often. This is perfect timing to end the video because it's starting to rain and thunder, and I don't want you to have to listen to that in the background. So until next time, bye.